Whatever. Now you want to try carry this to them? You want to carry this one? Hey. Or go on people out today again. And the family out. Spearfishing and the entire family out. So Corey, come on with the pram, Corey, come on. So the entire family out today. Right head on the river scenery, you know. So I go up the stream. Pretty girl, say hi. Hi. So we are heading on up the stream, you know. So you know, a recording time today. Yeah, man. Welcome back, guys, to another great epic outdoor cooking video with your boy Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. So we're out today again. So today we are gonna do an epic, amazing fried chicken. Just a whole of fried chicken, some garlic bread, and just go and chill out and drink some beer. Yes, sir. Corey, where I left your Corey? You're doing a good job, Corey. Carrying a sister pram. Hold on, a stone bucket. Stone. Yeah, come on. Good job. No, you're driving, but you're not looking, Corey. You have to look where you're going. Boy, Corey, you're on the prom. Look where you're going, Corey. Look like rain are gonna fall today too. We are out again. And the team. Caribbean Vibes. Daddy, so come on, nobody not take care of daddy. I make you hug up your bread, someone.
Yeah, so man. Yeah, wait, my big old thick butter from my.
Anyways, I hit the chicken that fried, brother.
Butter weight, brother.
Yeah, man. A thick metal, so you know.
Good material.
Yeah. Say hi. Say hi.
Corey, pull it back here.
Come on, Corey.
Come, put you on this spot and
Man, water looking good. Water kind of draw. We shoot video up here, so already, but the water kind of low. So I'll carry over some of the things then before I come back for the rest of people then. Think we have to go set up a tent, you know, bro. Cause I don't like how the time look, just in case the rain come down. Boss at work.
yes, sir.
Early out.
Chop up some stick, yeah?
Yeah. Baby, I have fun already. Corey, say hi.
Why care about that? Yeah.
Not gonna water, Corey. You're cold. Water cold. Baby, I have an amazing day at river today. So cut out the chicken, just cut out the back of it, take out the spine. And wash him off with some vinegar and some water. So me slit behind the leg, reason being so the leg can soak along with the wing, easier for the chicken to soak. A great outdoor cooking video people wanna go on with. The man who there chill out with spearfishing one more time, Chances_dogs. Big up yourself brother. They upon the collab again. Go and put out the work.
This one is a beautiful day and beautiful spot people.
Yeah, man.
As I can see.
Actually everybody roll out. Family roll out today.
On a family day today, my brother. Corey. Don't you the paws out there? Put it down, put it on your foot. I want to slippers in the water.
It was a daddy gotta buy more, man.
I have a slippers on wrong too, man. Take it to that. Yeah, like that.
You just choke up the chicken a little bit, so it's easier for the chicken absorb the season along with the herbs and the spice. Finish now. Oh. So now we're in the process of seasoning up the chicken. Just finished clean it up, wash it off with some vinegar. So now I'm gonna grate this onion. So we are getting more out of it when we grate it. You can push it in the corner and the pocket of the breast and those places, so it can soak more. Same thing we're gonna do with the ginger. So I'm gonna grate the ginger. Pick up the Chances spearfishing. So I use some thyme, some cracked pimento seed. And I also go use some scallion. And so I chop them up as fine as possible. And the fire did go and blaze out a little bit, you know. Yeah, big up to Corey. Corey, wagwan. Wagwan, you good, you cool? Corey get tired of water already.
Yes, the fish them are so baby. Fish them are so in that pretty water.
I want some garlic bread. You know garlic is very healthy. So we gotta keep the thing natural, authentic and healthy. Add the scallion. Some chop up it as fine as possible. Same thing with the Scotch bonnet pepper. We're adding a little spice. Right, Corey? Add some Scotch bonnet pepper, right? So you don't talk to the you don't talk to the you not ready yet. So Corey was the one who was in the video with the haggard and saying pepper. You don't talk to them, you know? So I use some garlic. So I use 2 cloves of garlic. Chop them up as fine as possible, see them. I want to add them. here, I'm adding this, some paprika. So I give it a little color with the paprika. So we just add like a small portion, like a teaspoon of paprika. Not much. So I use some season up chicken flavor, like a spoon. And so we're seasoning to taste. That's the most important part. You know? And we use some all-purpose season. And this is a Maggi all-purpose season. And I use also another brand again, all-purpose season. So we're not really promote now. It's not a promotion, you know, but these are the seasons what we use pertaining to on a daily basis. It's a little bit, you know, cause the season them have salt in them, so just have to rub it now.
Camera drop. I'm gonna need one stick for you.
You're gonna need one stand with your one. So after we season up now, I'm gonna wrap it with a file paper or the saran wrap. Like instead I go and marinate for 20 minutes. And then we're gonna fry him.
Yes, man.
You can taste the seasoning already. You can taste the herbs and the spice. So that's a wrap, guys. Always nice when we come up a sweet of a pound of video. Always explore the place, you know. And I tell you, like the scenery up here always nice, guys. Always nice. So many areas the water generate from. Well, I'll papaya tree up here. Then start beer. Beautiful. Yeah, let's listen to the water running like always. Amazing just by just listening to the water. See the stream going. There's about the amount of stream up here. Trust me. Like everywhere turn there are different stream. I don't know what them, but I just know say I fish them, bro. See them? You see everywhere you turn there's a different area where water are pour out from. Okay, glass. I will get some footage out there.
I'm gonna take it camera. I think camera there. I'm gonna take the light on the bell and take a look at it. The dark still. So you take a look at it. What man I do?
I want up here always clean, you know, bro. Up here always clean, I swear. Now that the chicken has marinated for about 35 minutes, I'm going to add about a glass of milk. A glass of fresh cow's milk. I'm going to leave in for another 25 minutes. You just go and absorb and finish marinate. Because I don't really like use the egg, because the egg is something really raw at times. So the milk can use as the wash of the chicken, just to see him. I'll leave him.
Well, I'm a teacher.
It's easier to swim go down because I stream. I must say I don't water.
No, it's easier for you, man. Maybe I difficult.
Oh, I have to go up around the under there and see. Corey! Corey! Watch him up! Baby girl! You will enjoy the river today. Say hi! Hi! Baby, I enjoy the river today. And I say hi. Say big up Caribbean Vibes Cooking. Say big up Caribbean Vibes Cooking.
Hungry, man.
I will go buy one pack of feeding for them.
You saw about you, man.
You see, but you're catching on funny vlog.
Eh?
You're catching on funny vlog.
Yeah, man, I'm
The water get dirty up on
Yeah,
here.
man, the water. It's working. Yeah, give me a camera.
No. Put it.
Just so bad, man. What if I just fear out of them? Just stay hungry, man.
Now adding some cooking oil. Add enough so you can cover the chicken. And make the pot go on there. Go on hot. And the pot hot, I will add some scallion, some onion and the skin, garlic, a little bit of pimento seed to help add flavor to the oil. Chicken well marinated, as you can see. As you can see her. Baby a cry saying you want the food ready and now yeah, baby in the background guys. Now add him in the flour. And just add the coat the chicken with the flour. Just lightly coat the chicken. Put on some clothes for the chicken and all, no?
White suit.
Yeah. So just gentle coat the chicken. Yes, sir. Another great one again. Big up to Chances Spearfishing. Now if I keep on vibing with Caribbean Vibes Cooking, putting out the good videos. And so today is a family day, boss and the family out. Pot hot, add in some pimento seed, scallion, onion, garlic. And just a gentle butter about the chicken. Sure. Pull out some of the fire from there. I want him to take him time and fry when I want him to force fry. Also I go cover it. And stay there and steam and fry. You know, yardman style. So this is not a yardman style, it's a river style, you know? Caribbean style.
Spread out like ready for the steak.
That one,
I mean big bag.
Then you just turn the chicken, pull out most of the excess fire from under it, because you don't want to take the time and slow cook. Basically fry properly. So you want to take the time and fry. Onion, scallion, pimento seed, add flavor. It's getting there. Yeah. Looking good. Looking real good. I want KFC need to get in touch with us. I want Colonel I need to link we up. Take time and soak properly.
Some cooking oil and the garlic. We'll go roast it to make the garlic bread. Adding just a toops of seasoning as well. Put this on the coal to roast for a couple of minutes. Right there.
Hot. The boss I eat it first, that chicken. Yeah, baby, one out I eat it. How it tastes?
Chicken too bon. The right table.
One more. The first you eat off a Caribbean Vibes channel too.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, so we make a paste out of the garlic to get the garlic butter bread. So as I can see, just take them out of the skin. So easy as that.
You just have to mash them out.
Yeah, man. Literally make a paste.
Hot.
Mix this with the butter now and whatever you season to taste.
Garlic smell good. And then how we roast again, I can smell that amazing aroma. Now chicken ready. Taking out, adding to the base in here. Paper towel to take out the excess grease. Did you say that?
Alright guys, so we have the melted butter.
That's right.
Added in
So now that the butter has been melted, I'm gonna add the garlic. I'm just bringing it around with the butter. Frying pot we are on that. And for the next step, add the bread them. Give them a minute, or less than a minute, and we turn them. Move away to the Whew. Yes, you know. Now add no more.
for the flavor of garlic.
Yeah, man, no more ice cream. This is our next best part. Different from cooking. Boss lady I go share, you know. Yeah, Corey. Yeah, boss. You hot? You want fork?
Fork.
You want fork?
Fork I eat.
Oh, okay. You want fork I eat. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube.
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 Mind that.
Man, film play there. As if a Corey play there.
Check out one.
Yeah, man, we so retail, man. We don't know how fair plate look already, man. Baby, a waving chicken leg. I don't know how fair plate go already, man. Baby, a waving chicken leg, bro. Boss lady, a wave for your chicken leg too. Yeah, man. It's a vibe. So go and chill out.
Night break. Just ready. Yeah, guys. The whole vibe and a whole mood over here.
Bone. Bone.
Come on. Come on.
Baby, I murder chicken leg.
Chicken leg.
Your sister eat off him chicken leg already, Corey. You steal it. Boss himself.
Yes, man. Garlic bread and chicken or something for top.
Yeah, man, it tastes real good. You don't want the garlic bread? Corey? You don't like it? So you know it's a clean up time. Wash up about the things them and get ready to go back home now. So you know the badness.
Bunnies.
Yeah, the badness Corey.
Bunnies.
Yeah man, like the video, comment,
Like
subscribe.
video.
Yeah man, comment and subscribe.
Enter.
Yeah man, tell them to subscribe for more video. Tell them to subscribe. So like, comment and share for more awesome video.
Enter.
Yeah man, we're out guys. Catch you in our next vlog.
Guys.